Hi Aquarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 24th of October. Before we go ahead and start the video, please note these videos are only generic readings, so it may or may not resonate for you. So only take what resonates, please leave the rest. How also we'll go about with the video is the top row will be for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. But for me, the top row is always for the sign that I'm doing the video for. Now let's jump in and see what this week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Four of Swords, the Empress card, and the Six of Pentacles. Person B here, they have the Five of Wands, Six of Wands, and Four of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I have Queen of Cups, which means that this person wants to receive, or you may want to receive a lot of love and affection. So you are in that receiving energy right now. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Four of Swords, which means that you have put down your sword, you've taken a small break. You may have taken this break because you want to think through what you want to go ahead and do next in this relationship. The second card for you is the Empress card. That's a very powerful card. That's a major arcana. With the Empress energy, for some cases, it may mean that there is fertility, pregnancy in and around you, or you may also be pregnant, or you may be very fertile, so you can get into, you can get pregnant. And for the others, with the Empress energy, it means that you have the qualities of all the queens. So it means that you are at your best energy right now. Now the next card I see for you is Six of Pentacles. For some of you, it could mean that you're sharing your time, money, energy with somebody else also along with this person, because the Six of Pentacles is the sharing card, which shows that there is some kind of sharing that is happening. Now when I say that you're doing it with somebody else, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a lover. It can be another person. It could be another family member, a friend who needs that time. Okay, so you have to divide your time along with your partner with this other third person. Now for the second person, person B, the first card is Five of Wands. This means that there are people around them that's trying to cause some kind of stress and confusion in this relationship to them. The next card is Six of Wands, which means that this person wants victory in the situation. And the third card here for them is Four of Cups. This means that they are kind of bored in this situation. If at this point in time you may offer a cup of love, they will not go ahead and take it because they have gone within, they have withdrawn themselves. Now let's also go ahead and see what is the intention of this person. So the first card that I see here is Ten of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Seven of Cups. Now, Ten of Pentacles means, when all your finances, your family life, everything is in place, okay? The next card, Hierophant, which means Taurus energy. It also means marriage commitment. So this person may be thinking about marriage and commitment, because even Ten of Pentacles means that, your family life, your finances, your personal and professional life, everything is in place. Now the third card here is Seven of Cups. It means that in some cases this person has a lot of options, and that's where the problem is, because this person is not able to choose. Now let's go ahead and also see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see here is believe in the impossible. So you need to believe in the impossible. You need to believe that things happen. Okay, so have faith in this process and positive things will happen for you. Now with this, let's also go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels and a crystal that can help you out in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Herkimer Diamond. The crystal message is, are you able to recall your dreams? Dreams can be your internal psychologist and spiritual advisor. Take the time before going to sleep to form the intention to remember your dreams. Record them when you awaken and use them for contemplation. Dreams are powerful tools for self-healing, personal awareness, and spiritual growth. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Gabriel that I'll go ahead and put in the description box. You may read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.